The box method. First, we have to have the question that we are looking at, and we have to break it into its individual parts. This 7 is worth 7. Amazing. This 1 in the number 17 is not worth 1 because it's in the tens. That makes it worth 10. Now we have to do the exact same thing for these numbers. I've seen some people put it on this side. I'm going to put it on this side because it makes me happy. That 7 is worth 70, and that 9 is worth 9. Now, using the skills that we already know, all we have to do is multiply the numbers where they meet. So this box is the same thing as 7 times 70. If you want to write the question in the box, you can. I'm only going to do that here because I wanted to show you what I'm thinking. If I do 7 times 70, I know what 7 times 7 is. 49. Because the 70 ends in a 0, my answer ends in a 0. Do we understand that number so far? Yeah. Great. The two numbers that get multiplied here are 10 and 70. And 7 times 1 is 7. And we've got a 0 here and a 0 here. Are we good so far? Let's move on to the 9. 9 times 7 is 63. Very nice. And then we've got 9 times 10, 90. Now we have 4 numbers, not counting the question that I wrote down here. If you write down the questions, please do not get confused during this part. The next step is the hardest part. I call it adding. I know. 700, 490, regular 90, and 63. We've taken all of the partial products of multiplying those two numbers, and now if we put them together, we will get the answer to this slightly more complicated multiplication question. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 3 is 3. Very nice. This one's a little bit harder. 9 plus 9 is 18. Yeah. Plus 6? 24. Thank you. 24. Carry the 2. 2 plus 7 is 9. Plus 4 is 13. So the answer to 17 times 79 is 1,343. This is the box method. Ta-da.